Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook beef broccoli. First, let's talk about the star of our dish, the beef. For a truly tender experience, select a good quality flank steak or sirloin. Remember to slice it thinly, about 1/8 of an inch, and always against the grain. This simple step makes a huge difference. Then, marinate your beef for at least 30 minutes. This not only infuses flavor, but also helps tenderize the meat, preparing it perfectly for stir-frying. Next, let's prepare our vibrant broccoli and the delicious sauce. Start by cutting your fresh broccoli into uniform, bite-sized florets. For that perfect bright green color and crisp tender texture, blanch the broccoli for just 2 to 3 minutes, then shock it in an ice bath. Now for the magic sauce. Combine soy sauce, rich oyster sauce, freshly grated ginger, minced garlic, a little sugar, and a splash of rice vinegar. This blend creates a balanced, irresistible flavor. Now, let's bring it all together with the stir-frying. Heat your wok or large skillet over high heat with about 1 tablespoon of oil until it's shimmering. This high heat is crucial for that authentic stir-fry flavor. Stir-fry your marinated beef in small batches for just 2 to 3 minutes per batch until it's nicely browned, then remove it from the pan. Next, add your blanched broccoli, stir-fry for a minute, then pour in your delicious sauce and cook until it thickens slightly. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade beef broccoli. Return the perfectly cooked beef to the pan with the broccoli and sauce, tossing everything gently to ensure every piece is coated. Serve this delightful dish immediately over a bed of fluffy steamed white rice. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with some toasted sesame seeds or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes if you enjoy a little heat. This quick and flavorful meal is sure to be a family favorite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.